Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So we have been having a really nice warm weather over here in England for several weeks now, which is kind of unusual, but I like it. So the temperature went up to about 30 degrees Celsius, which is just the kind of weather for me. And last week we experienced a little bit of cloudy weather, and suddenly the temperature dropped to around 18 to 20 degrees. And the first thing I've noticed is that my ficus um, are showing signs of being stressed, especially the variegated ones. And they just dropped a lot of leaves, which I will show you in a minute. And also, I wanted to thank everyone who joined the macrame giveaway last week, and I hope that you will receive them in the post soon. But those who are in Canada and the US, I think it will take a bit longer, so just have patience, and it will get there. And also, I wanted to thank you guys for your support. I have now 1,000 subscribers, and yay, I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much. And also, I finished a product in macrame that is going to be available for those who wanted to get them, and the details will be posted on my Facebook page, Macrame and Plants. I will leave the link in the description box down below. So I managed to find a cheap beads, and that's how it looks like. So the details of the length and everything else will be on my Facebook page. So thank you guys, thank you everyone. And let's just leave it there for a minute. So now I'm going to show you my ficus plants. So this is my Ficus elastica, the very first ficus that showed signs of being stressed. You must have seen this in my previous video, and it's actually sad to look at it now, guys, because it was doing so well for me, and it's a 3-year-old plant. As you can see, it is looking sparse now. It dropped a bunch of leaves. As you can see, those leaves are huge. And if we look closer here, the top growth is gone. So what happened here is this is the neighboring plant. This is my beloved Hoya, and it's growing very long that it tried to lodge itself onto that part there, that when I tried to pull it away, the top part came off. And the plant is trying to produce 2 new side shoots at the bottom, but at the moment it's very small. I will surely make an update of this plant. And at this moment I cannot do anything more for this plant. It's I tried to keep the soil moist but not soggy. I'm just hoping that it's gonna stop shedding more leaves. So that's all I can do for this plant, really. And then a little update of this Hoya. It's currently flowering, and that one is just ready to go. But another peduncle here is the buds are ready to open. So it's when the buds is ready to open, guys, that it gives out a beautiful scent. And the fact that it is by my bedside, It is such a treat to wake up to that fresh floral scent in the morning. It's beautiful. And this is the new peduncle. It's not as full compared to that one over there, but that's fine. I am quite happy with this plant. It's not as finicky as the calathea. So it was looking so bushy that I decided to cut it back and propagated a few. And so far I am seeing success in my indoor propagation, and I will try to share it in my future one of the videos in the future. So let's now move on to, yeah, I'm ready to show you the other ficus that is currently suffering. So this is my Ficus benjamina, the variegated one, and I have a small green version. So far this one is not showing any signs of being stressed. It's not dropping a lot of leaves. It's so small anyway, so it's good that it's not losing whatever few leaves it's got there. And that one is a propagated Ficus benjamina from the mother plant. And as you can see, I got a few bare stems there because it's been losing a lot of leaves as well. So it's normal for this plant to drop a few leaves that are old and that are just ready to go. So as you can see, I have some empty stems there. Yesterday I picked about a handful of yellowing leaves, and I think there are a few there that just dropped today. And that happened when this plant is experiencing a sudden change in temperature. It can stand a gradual change in temperature, but between 5 to 8 dropped in temperature is too much for this plant to handle. And what it is trying to do is it's trying to adapt. So there's nothing much that you can do about it, but just make sure that the soil is moist, but do not give it too much water, and because it will do further damage. Just maybe a little misting can help as well, but do not give it too much water to compensate for the hot weather, because it's just trying to adapt to the changes. And yeah, so definitely there you see another leaf has just dropped off. So definitely another easy care plant, but you have to be aware that it can happen, especially if there is a sudden change of temperature. For example, if it's been really hot and suddenly the temperature dropped, or the temperature is low and then suddenly it rises up, and that happens in the winter time when we switch. God bless us. Bye. So I'm sorry about the interruption. And where was I? So the plant is just trying to adjust, and sometimes it happens when the in the winter time, when the radiator or the heater is switched on, and yeah, it can show that it can shed some leaves as well. But it's normal for this plant. You don't have to panic. So thank you so much guys for watching, and take care. Bye.